Welcome friends, through a journey to passion, dedication and creativity. Today, I'm proudly present to you my labor of love. Crafted over countless hours of dedication. For 3 to 4 years, every stroke of the brush, every detail meticulously crafted has led to this moment. Each element of this artwork holds a story, a piece of my soul poured onto the canvas. Now, as this masterpiece stands complete, it yearns to find a new home where its beauty can be appreciated and cherished. But this is more than just a sale. It's an opportunity for you to own a piece of art that resonates with emotion and depth. This artwork is not just about aesthetics, but it's about connection. It's about finding solace, inspiration, and joy in the presence of something truly extraordinary. So, dear friends, join me in this journey as we embark on a quest to find the perfect home for this. Let's create memories, spark conversations, and celebrate the essence of artistry. Own a piece of magic today. Thanks for watching.